Portugal Tourist Visa requirements. 1. Valid passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay. 2. Visa application form. Complete and sign the Portugal Tourist Visa application form. 3. Passport-sized photos. 2 recent passport-sized photos with a white background. 4. Flight itinerary. Provide a confirmed round-trip flight reservation. 5. Accommodation proof. Hotel reservations or an invitation letter from a host in Portugal. 6. Financial proof. Bank statements or sponsorship letter showing sufficient funds for your stay. 7. Travel insurance. Obtain valid travel insurance covering your entire stay in Portugal. 8. Proof of employment. Submit an employment letter with your position, salary, and leave permission if applicable.
9. Travel purpose. Write a detailed cover letter explaining your visit's purpose and itinerary. 10. Previous visas. If you've traveled to other Schengen countries before, provide copies of previous visas. 11. NOC No Objection Certificate. Include a letter from your employer stating no objection to your travel if employed. 12. Birth certificate. For minors traveling with parents, a copy of the child's birth certificate. Please note that additional documents may be required based on individual circumstances and the Portuguese Consulate Embassy's guidelines. For detailed information, kindly visit our website or contact us for personalized assistance. After gather all required documents, such as passport, photos, flight itinerary, accommodation proof, financial statements, and travel insurance. What are steps to apply? 1. Appointment. Schedule a visa appointment at the nearest Portuguese consulate or embassy. 2. Visa fee. Pay the visa application fee during your appointment. 3. Submission. Submit your application and all supporting documents during the appointment. 4. Biometrics. Provide biometric data, such as fingerprints, if required. 5. Waiting period. Wait for the visa processing time, which may vary based on your nationality and individual circumstances. 6. Decision. Await the visa decision and check your visa status online or through the consulate.